Association of Western Macedonia is a policy body that represents the 13 municipalities of Western Macedonia region in Greece. The organization's key roles are about facilitating municipalities to disseminate their policies, coordinating common activities between municipalities, and also implementing research and policy projects. LGA is the main policy body of the region of Western Macedonia. For Western Macedonia's case, the main policy focus, according to the project, is energy transition. So LGA is able to bring the stakeholders of the region together from all four helices of the quadruple helix, also evaluate and assess policies regarding energy transition. Moreover, I would say that LGA actually updates the level of democratization of the project results, since it presents for assessments the policies that have accrued from the project to elected decision makers and also common regular citizens from Western Macedonia. The first challenge is the public engagement. It is to persuade the regular citizens mostly, but also the other representatives of the quadruple helix, such as the policymakers and the business sector, to participate in the huge task of energy transition taking place in Macedonia and Western Macedonia right now. So in general, there is a lack of commitment and interest in that direction. Secondly, I would say that the second crucial challenge is to increase the level of democratization of policies that are currently implemented or going to be implemented in the near future. First, democratization is reflected on specific RRI keys such as open access, reflexivity and responsiveness, and regular citizens and businesses often feel neglected from the decision-making part, and as a result they resist some specific measures, activities or investments that are planned to be implemented. So it is a challenge to include them in the whole decision-making process.
The University of Western Macedonia is a socially committed institution with 22 departments, postgraduate and PhD programs, a highly qualified academic staff, extensive international links in both research and exchange programs, and a vibrant students community. The university invests through innovative educational programs in multidisciplinary fields of research that correspond, of course, to the needs of the modern world. Some of the actions that reflect the activity of our institution are the development of structures, the exploitation of research products, spreading the culture of new technologies and innovation, of course, as well as the promotion and respect of cultural wealth. Western Macedonia is one out of the 5 methodological partners of the RRI Leaders Project, together with the Legal Government Association of Western Macedonia, which is the territorial partner. We work together towards the implementation of a transformative outlook, which is focusing on the clean energy transition strategy. In order to reach this goal, several steps of a co-creation process were followed, such as the creation of a systemic map of stakeholders from the quadruple helix, a documentary analysis on existing regional strategies and programs for their implementation of responsible innovation, internal RRI reviews in the university and the LGA, and finally a Delphi exploration of consensus about future orientations for RRI in the region of Western Macedonia. The final stage of the co-creation process concluded with a citizen review panel, which was followed by a stakeholder workshop, both activities aimed at further articulating and validating the policy action set from the transformative outlook, and at the same time stakeholders had the task to assess the feasibility of the actions proposed by the citizens. In some of those activities, the university had a leading role.